Hi, I'm Matt Thornton, Project Manager at AMI Mechanical, and today we're at the Cherry Creek Elementary School number 44. We have a unique system out here at this school that required a lot of thermal expansion as well as deflection. So obviously using 5-inch steel pipe on this project, we wanted to make sure that we had a system that can handle the weights. Waste and vent plastic and domestic water copper obviously is a lot lighter weights, and easy calculations were made. 5-inch steel pipe was a little different. We're able to go to our local reps here in Colorado, and they assisted us making those load calculations and finding the products that we needed to use to make sure that we were hanging the system properly and we weren't going to overmax any loads. We need some movement, which is what goes back to being unique to the school. Gripple allows us, that gives that movement and allowed us to delete a lot of thermal expansion loops that the system would have required using traditional methods.
This is my first time using Gripple, and we chose to use it for the amount of hangers we had to put in. We got over 3,000 on there, and it saved us a tremendous amount of man hours with all the drilling, setting all the anchors, cutting all thread. As far as the man hours, I probably saved about 1/3 of my man hours for time for installation. I absolutely would use Gripple again on a job like this, especially in this size, for the amount of time we saved on it.
AMI Mechanical had a unique situation that they presented to us. They were actually looking for movement in their piping. Gripple provided a solution, and our cable did provide a little flexibility for the thermal expansion and contraction of their piping. AMI has also noticed substantial labor savings on this project. And that's really great, because here at Gripple, when we design our products, that's what we're shooting for. We're shooting for those simplicity, the efficiency, and the ease of use of our product.
Using Gripple, we saw a huge savings on labor. We calculated about 37% savings by using Gripple. On our best day, we did roughly 386 hangers in a day with a 3-man crew. We were sitting roughly 70% complete this project. After looking at Gripple, definitely was the solution, definitely was the way to go. Moving forward on the next project, this is definitely Gripple is what I want to use, and I look forward to working with my local reps on my next project.